So this is the second Avanza car I'll be working on today. The first one we have sorted it out. So this is the second one. It has similar issues like the first one. You can also see the body light. You can hear the sound of the engine. Really rough. You can see the way. Move down for the door. So immediately put it. So it does hard shift. You can see it does hard shift. Very hard shift. So I'm going to scan and find out what the problem is. You see the body light is flashing continuously. ENG we have 3/4 code, the transmission we have 1/4 code. So I'm going to save this. I'm going to use Avanza 2. I've worked on one today. This is the second one I'm working on for today. So let's take a look at the error code. We have oxygen sensor, that's there. We have the variable valve timing sensor, camshaft position sensor, circuit range performance problem, bank 1. We have the variable valve timing system, bank 1. Then we have the engine torque fault. This is a transmission fault, 1706. Of course, the ABS and the airbag. So let me go and see. First of all, let me go to the transmission. And see if we are actually getting. Let me do a live data for getting what I'm supposed to get. Unlike the first Avanza that I did today, this one is actually giving out the value. So where I'm going to check now is likely the transmission rate switches. That is what I'm going to take a look at, because that was what brought error codes. So I'm presently on pack. I don't know if you can see. Okay. Presently on park, go to reverse. So reverse. You can see the violent hard shift neutral. Neutral is on. You can see the violent shift for drive. Is on. Okay, let's take a look at the solenoid. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Okay. So let's go to the. Let's see what we'll. Let's see for the. The trouble codes. We'll go back timing. Let's see what we'll have here. Coolant temperature, engine speed, ignition advance, intake air, throttle position sensor. Okay. We'll take a test drive for the transmission. Now the floaters. I want to see the way. I want to see how it selects. Okay. So we'll take a test drive. We'll take a test drive for the transmission. Now the floaters. I want to see the way. I want to see how it selects. Yeah. What to do?